Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly again, and in this video I'm going to show you another automation which will let you collect the data from QuickBooks into your spreadsheet application, which is Google Sheets. So guys, QuickBooks is an accounting software, and if you want to collect the data from the chart of accounts you have in QuickBooks into your spreadsheet, this automation is for you. So guys, with the help of chart of accounts, you can create financial statements in QuickBooks like balance sheets or P&L statements. And if you want to separate out some data out of chart of accounts of some categories into your spreadsheet, you can use this automation. Here you can see on my screen now, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you are going to add any new category in your chart of accounts in QuickBooks, the data of that category will be fetched out and will be added as a new row in this Google Sheet application automatically. So you do not have to manually filter out particular details from QuickBooks, and you do not have to manually add the data here. It will happen automatically, and it is going to save a lot of your time and energy and also improve your productivity. So here we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is you can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation, guys, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you have to use this link, pabbly.com/connect. So guys, I have pasted this same link in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on this dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow. For that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So here I'm giving the name as QuickBooks to Google Sheets automation. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and your workflow page will start loading up like this. And on this page you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things only. So the trigger here is that event which is going to make this workflow run, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be any new addition of data in the account section of QuickBooks, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the data to Google Sheets. Okay, so first of all you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application as QuickBooks. Here it is, QuickBooks Online, select it. And here in the trigger event you have to select this new account option, so it will trigger whenever you add a new account category. So select this new account, then click on connect, and here you can see it is written every 8 hours. So whenever you are going to add any data in the account section, this workflow is going to check in every 8 hours that if there is any new data you have added in the accounts section, and if it finds any new data, the data will be fetched here automatically. Okay, now click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection option, then click on connect with Google with QuickBooks Online. Okay, and it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in QuickBooks, it will be connected here. You can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. All right, and here you can see let me show you my QuickBooks applications dashboard here. This is it, and let me open the account section from the bookkeeping. Here in the bookkeeping we have the chart of accounts section. Under the charts of accounts you can create a new category by clicking on this new button right here. Okay, and here you can give a name to this category. So I'm giving the name as cross-selling. Okay, this is the name I have given. Now you can select the category. So it is coming under income, so I'm selecting income, then click on next. Here if this income is billable or direct or refunds or sales, you can select it. So I'm selecting it, sales of product income. Select the income category, then click on select, and here In this description, you can provide a small description of this category that you're creating here. So I'm putting the description as this is a category. So this is the description I have given. This is a category in which we are going to add the data of product cross-selling. Okay. Now from here, click on save button, and this category will be saved in your chart of accounts. Here you can see we have this category. What is the name of that? Cross-selling. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see cross-selling category is added here. So the type is income, the detail is this, and you can create a report out of it. Now let's capture the details of this category that we have added here. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and here you can see the category, the accounts details are captured here like this. It is showing the name of the category is cross-selling, the description is this, the category was this, and here you can see the account type is this, the currency details, and all the details are here, right? So now I'm going to add this data that we have received from the QuickBooks into my spreadsheet that I have created here in Google Sheets application. And in this spreadsheet, I want to add the data like the category name, description, category, account type, currency, and current balance. Okay. So guys, to add the data here in the spreadsheet, you need to connect your spreadsheet application here in the sections tab. So from this, choose app field, choose your action application as Google Sheets application. Okay. And in the action event, guys, select add new row option. So it will add a new row of data into your spreadsheet. Okay. Now click on connect. From this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets. All right. Here from this window, you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet like this. Then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue from here. And after that, you will be connected with your Google Sheet application like this. All right, so we are now connected, and here it is asking to select the spreadsheet's name. So this is my spreadsheet, name of which is QuickBooks account. And here you can see I have selected it from this list. Sheet's name is this one, sheet 1. Okay. Now it is asking for the category name, description, category, account type, currency, and so these are the headers of the columns I have in my spreadsheet. Okay. So to fill the data here in these rows, you need to map the data of the headers here in this in your workflow like this. So we are going to use this data that we have received in the first tab from QuickBooks, and I'm going to map these labels that I have received here. So to map the labels, just click here in this category name field like this, and it will show you the QuickBooks tab in the drop down. And when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received. So from here only, map the name of the category, then click on description, and from this QuickBooks, map description, and let's select the category here. Okay. So the name of the category is this, and the actual category is account type, which is this. You can map the account type here. Okay, so it is asking account type separately, so we must have the category here. Here you can see the account subtype is this, and here you can see this is the category I have added actually. Okay. It is showing here in this label fully qualified name. Just map this label, and now you can map the account type, then you can map the currency details, and then you can select the current balance. It is showing us 0, but whenever you add the data, it will fetch the data here. So when you map the labels here like this, what will happen whenever you add a category or add some data in future in QuickBooks, the labels are going to change accordingly, and a new data will be placed here in the spreadsheet. That's why we map labels here. Okay. Now you can check your connection with Google Sheets by clicking on save and send test request, and a new row will be added here in this spreadsheet. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request, guys, and this is the response we have received here. Now let me show you in my spreadsheet, and here you can see a third row is added here automatically with the same data. You can see cross-selling, description, category, account type, currency, and current balance, and these are the same details I have mapped here in the fields in this workflow. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, whenever you add a new category in chart of accounts in QuickBooks, the data of that category will be added here in the spreadsheet application automatically. And you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, it is going to run without any manual effort, and you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.